Hello everybody and welcome to the crypto session brief. We've just hit midday here in Europe and we're on Tuesday the 20th of December 2022. Main news across crypto yesterday was of course regarding FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried, who may be extradited to the US. And not maybe, he will be extradited to the US, and it was reported yesterday it might have even occurred as soon as yesterday. I haven't seen any news update though to say that that's actually occurred, so we'll wait for further information today. We've also seen that Binance US has reportedly agreed to buy bankrupt crypto lender Voyager Digital's remaining crypto assets for 1.022 billion. Voyager announced a deal yesterday, adding the deal aims to return crypto to its customers in kind if approved by the bankruptcy court in January. We talked about Grayscale yesterday, and I think that's pretty much it from a news perspective for cryptos. So let's see how they've been trading so far today, shall we? And it's actually quite good news if you were looking for some nice upside movement heading into the Christmas break, because we've seen a bit of a bounce following the past few days selling, and that's been seen basically across the board in crypto so far today. So we've seen Bitcoin move off around the 16,250 area. It's not a particular level which we'd highlighted. You know, we were looking for further moves down, maybe even to retest the lows, at least into the 16,000 handle. Didn't quite get to 16 and a half, and then we've seen a bounce, and now we're trading basically where we opened the week. So and also where we ended on Friday, not too far away from there now. So maybe we'll see some stabilization here. So far today across markets, we did see a bit of a risk off move earlier in the day. BOJ leaning a little bit hawkish. Discussed that inside the European session brief and also inside the FX chat if you want to check that out. But the BOJ, basically the most dovish central bank there is around in the G7 anyway, turning slightly hawkish, and you know, is that a sign that that things are gonna get pretty serious heading into the new year? So we did see a risk-off move in equities, but that's been faded now. So we are trading higher now on most equity markets, especially in Europe. DAX is ticking higher, and also on cryptos that's been reflected. You can see there that earlier move down, but then we've bounced. We're moving higher now, and Litecoin top right looking to get back and fill the gap from yesterday morning, basically. Ripple as well, it's just paused at 0.3345, so daily close around about that handle, so just pausing there. And then Ethereum, obviously top left here is where we're currently at 1207 right now. Probably the area that we're wanting to see a technical break above will be that 1215, 1217 area. That's offered some resistance and support as well in the past month or two, so we need to get a move through there. If we're going to do it intraday, then let's see enough momentum to push through there, and then we can start talking about a move into the 1280 handle and a retrace basically back into that ascending trend line which would recently broke to the downside of. Not too much more to add, to be honest, aside from the fading that we've been seeing so far of at least yesterday's sell-off. Now it's a case of attacking that Thursday, Friday move down that we saw post-Fed, post-ECB. And we'll take it from there. If there's anything else further, I'll post it inside our lovely crypto chat room. Until next time, I wish you all the best with your trading. Take care and bye for now.